So here we have the Mercedes-Benz C200 on a 57 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. You can see the speedometer there and the total miles for this car, which are 48,424. We also have the rev counter there as well. Working our way back out to the steering wheel, we have the stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side. Buttons on the left-hand side will change the trip computer information on this vehicle. Over in the centre, we then have the stereo down here and the main screen for it directly above that. So all the controls, as I say, are down on the stereo itself, but you can access your radio from here. So this car's got medium wave, short wave and long wave radio, FM of course. We have a CD player, as you can see just there. We can pair up our phone from here as well and answer and end phone calls from here as well as on the steering wheel. Just above that we have traction control, which you can turn off on this car. Electronic stability program is what that stands for. We have the main volume for the stereo just here, the CD player, as I say, just above that. Below that, we've got a heated passenger seat and a heated driver's seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. We can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. And below that, we have dual zone climate control. So if you move the gear lever out the way, you'll be able to see you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Once you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning off, in this case, back on again. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air, which you can hear it doing now in the background. You can override that whenever you wish to. And then we have our rear heated screen on there as well. This section will open up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket and some storage just there. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and this dial will operate the various controls up on the stereo system. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.